Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change ringtone on BOTIM app. Well, it is very easy, so all you have to do is simply open the BOTIM application, and then from here make sure that you're logged into your account, and then all you have to do is tap on your profile on the top right corner right here. So after doing that, here you can get the option of notifications. So tap on notifications, then you'll get the option of ringtone right here. If you scroll down a bit, here you can see ringtone is this. So all you have to do is tap on it in order to change it. Then you'll get the option of many more ringtone. Here you can see currently it is on default. You can select whatever you want. Just like this, here you can see I have selected this particular ringtone right here. So if you want to increase or decrease the volume of the ringtone, you can also do that by simply adjusting this button. So I'm going to adjust it just like this. Here you can see I have done it. Now when you're done with it, you can tap on the back button right here, and just like this you can change the ringtone of BOTIM app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.